What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I hope your day is filled with love and goodies and joy and all that good stuff that comes with Valentine's Day. I'm TonyaNicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is your first time watching me, welcome. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up before you leave and subscribe to my channel so that you can become part of my bomb ass subscriber squad. Today, guys, we're doing BoxyCharm base box. And since I went all red on that ass today, boo, I wanted to do the box with the red inside, just to symbolize Valentine's Day, So, if you guys want to see what's in February's BoxyCharm base box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about all this BoxyCharm mess, boo. Okay, guys, welcome. I am so happy that you guys clicked the button to watch your girl this morning, this beautiful Valentine's Day morning. Y'all know what it is today. It's tea time with Tonya, and I have green tea that I'm drinking today. I just added a little bit of honey, a little spoon of sugar, and some lemon juice, and oh, y'all, it is like so good. Green tea is good for like getting all these toxins out your body and cleansing your body. So that's what we're drinking today while we unbox and talk about BoxyCharm. Let me drink a little tea. So y'all know there's been some drama surrounding BoxyCharm and all that, but I'm not even going to get into that because on TonyaNicole's channel, babe, we don't do that. All we do is unbox bomb-ass subscriptions. Well, some bomb-ass subscriptions. Some of them need to be thrown to the fire, but that's a whole nother subject. But today, guys, we're going to be doing the base box. I do want to know what you guys have planned for tonight, though. Unfortunately, I'm working this weekend, so I'll be seeing patients. I can't go on a date or anything, but guys, we're not going to keep you long. We're going to get on into the unboxing. Cool. I hope y'all got y'all tea too. It's Friday. If you guys do not know, BoxyCharm is $25 per month. You get 5 full-size beauty products each month, and it's supposed to have a minimum value, I think, of like $150, $125 or $150. I'll try to find it and put it down below. Before we get into this unboxing, I want to give a humongous shout out to my 5 first commenters from Wednesday's Allure video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and watching your girl. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you. Now, guys, let's get on into this unboxing. I can never find my scissors, so I'm just gonna cut it with this pen. Oh, I just know I love this. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's so beautiful and red to symbolize love and Valentine's Day. Where's my card? Oh, BoxyCharm was off to a good start, and now they ain't put no card in here, so that's kind of got me a little irritated. But nonetheless, let's just get on with our unboxing, y'all. So now I'm gonna have to go and research all of these products, put the names and the prices because I have no idea what they are. So first up, I have these First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. It helps to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And this is what the packaging is looking like, guys. Y'all know now I'm into skincare. Well, I'm trying to get low-key into skincare. So I'm glad to get these. It does have a safety seal. I will not open it up, but I will be putting these into rotation, and you get 28 pads in here. It just says on here to wipe across your face, neck, twice daily after cleansing, and that's it. So we have some facial radiance, exfoliating, toning, and brightening pads right there. Next up, guys, let's take a little sip. Oh, I got a little hair on my ring. Ooh, let's take a little sip. This is like so relaxing. Ooh, getting ready for that weekend, huh? Next up, my loves, we have from Ciate London, this Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder here. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let's open it up. I did get a Ciate London powder in my Ipsy a while back, so I gave it away. I think I'm actually going to use this one this time because it's not so white. This is what it looks like, guys. I don't want to blind you all, but let's take this out. And how much you get in here? You get 15 grams of product in here. This is a translucent powder, a coconut setting powder. I'm hoping that it doesn't leave like a white casting on my face. Well, this is what it looks like in the inside, guys. It's just like a white powder. I'm not going to open it up until we do like a first impressions video on this. But yes, so we got a setting powder, which y'all know I love setting powders. Next up, guys, we have from Queen this liquid lipstick here. And I got this last month in, I don't know if it was my base box or premium box last month. But I will say this, I do not like that they're already starting to repeat products like, oh, and this is in the shade Wifey. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. It is pretty. It's a nice shade. Has like a paint smell, I guess. That's what the wand looks like. Let me swatch it. That's how it's swatched out on my skin tone. I guess we could put it on since it's like in the theme and I have the colors going on. So let's put this on. I'm gonna just line my lips with this control liner from ColourPop. Make sure y'all let me know in the comments if you received a card in your box or not. There we go. Let's put another little coat. Okay, it's not bad, guys. It's very pink though. I would probably color in a little bit more with the brown liner, but it's okay. I wish I had a card. I hate that I don't have a card, but this is what the lipstick looks like, guys. Okay. Next product is, now I don't remember me picking this. I know I had to choose something, but I don't remember picking this Kate Somerville serum here. I don't remember, but I guess I did. Anyway, guys, this is the Kate Somerville biomimicking peptide smooth and firm serum here, which I am actually kind of happy that I did get it because y'all know I told y'all I'm a little seasoned, so I gotta start taking a little better care of my skin, girl. Oh, it's big though. This is a nice size bottle here. You get 30 milliliters of product in here. You apply in the morning and at night, 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. You can use alone or with other K active concentrates or layer with serums or moisturizers. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yes, and it is full to the top. I'm not gonna open it up because I don't know when I'm gonna use this, start using this. So I'm happy to get this actually, but I don't think this is what oh, you know what? That was, you had to choose between that Becca foundation and they didn't have my shade. So I may have picked this. I don't know, but I'm happy to get it. And last but not least, my loves now. Y'all know I'm like a brush freak. Alamar Cosmetics is like one of my favorite brands. Their blushes are beautiful. I think I have some brushes from them, blush, even have a lipstick, I think, and I love it. So when I saw these, oh my God, I'm like so excited because I wanted these brushes. I really did, guys. And this is the 3-piece face set right here, and oh my God, look at them. They're so beautiful. Y'all know I am like a brush freak. And this one here, they don't have the names on them. Oh, this is a brightening brush. So I would use this probably to sweep away the powder or to add even a little bit of highlight to my face. This one is gorgeous. I love that it's like comes to a point, but it's flat. I love this. This one here is the complexion brush. It's got a nice angle to it, gorgeous brush. I would use this probably for blush or bronzing, maybe not bronzing, but probably blush, or maybe like a stronger, if I want to do like a deep contour, I would use this brush. And then last, the bronzing brush. Oh, wow. I would actually probably use this one for foundation, even though it has these little like bumps on the top of it. I probably still try this out for foundation. I don't know, but they are kind of, they don't have a lot of weight to them, but they do feel nice and soft. So I'm very excited to receive these brushes, guys. Very excited. That was my final product in this month's box. I'm going to recap you guys really quick. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done, okay? Let me take another sip of my tea. Okay, guys, so from Alamar Cosmetics, we have this 3-piece brush set From Kate Somerville, we have this Smooth and Firm Serum. From Queen, we have this lip gloss here. Well, what is this? A lipstick in the shade Wifey that I'm wearing now. We also have from Ciate London the setting powder, and from First Aid Beauty, these facial radiance pads. So these 5 products for this month. So my final thoughts, guys, is I pretty much liked my box this month. I really am kind of bummed that I did not receive a card in this month's box. I hope in my premium box I have a card, because I like to be able to read a little bit off the card, tell you guys the retail prices right then so that you guys can see, but we didn't. But overall, I really enjoyed the box. I can use all of the items that are in my box this month, with the exception of this. I'm not sure how this will play on my skin, but we will test it out and see. But for the most part, I am pleased with my box. I do not like that they are already repeating products. I mean, I just got this lip gloss, well, this lipstick last month. So that's one thing that I'm not really, too happy with, because I find that when boxes start adding like different boxes, that they start repeating products because they're like running out of stuff to put in them. So I don't like the repeat products, but I do like my box overall. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? For the month of February, and since it's Valentine's Day and the day of love, boo, I'm gonna give BoxyCharm a solid 3.5. Well, I'm gonna give them a solid 3 for this month. I really thought it was a pretty decent box. I am so happy, so happy for these brushes. I really am. This is what I'm most excited for. And the lipstick is pretty. But I am excited, guys, for March's premium box, because it's gonna be Fenty based. Some of the products that I saw spoiled were, it wasn't, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get the box and see. I don't, they looked like, some of the products I like, but they had a couple that I was like, I don't really want that. But we shall see. Also, guys, I don't know if you saw that I posted on Instagram that Trend Mood box went on sale Wednesday. So I hope you guys were able to get the volume 3 box, because it looks like a really nice box. I was able to pick it up, so I'm happy about that. That will be coming to you guys soon. And that's all that I have, guys. Make sure before you leave, you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, become a part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. All of my links are down below. Also Twitter. I'm gonna try to start being more active on Twitter too. What else I gotta say? I hope you guys enjoyed Tea Time with Tonya. I did. It was so relaxing and put me like in a different zone. I hope you're feeling the red hair for Valentine's Day. I did not curl it because, y'all, I was in a rush and I washed all of my other wigs, so I didn't have another wig to wear today. So that's why we went with Lola. But that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, I will see you all in the comments below. Let me know what tea you're sipping on while you're watching me today. I love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.